MySQL 5.5 is beta. You can download it right now from dev.mysql.com. One of the most significant changes in MySQL 5.5 is going to be that InnoDB is going to become the default storage engine. So with InnoDB, with a built-in InnoDB, MySQL will have ACID transactions, foreign keys, crash recovery. Other work in 5.5 includes improved availability with semi-synchronous replication and a replication heartbeat, improved usability with signal, resignal, language features, more partitioning options, and a performance schema. Now, and the InnoDB built-in will also populate that performance schema. MySQL 5.5 is faster, much faster. Now, that comes from a collection of changes, some of which are in the built-in InnoDB, some of which are in the SQL processing layer above InnoDB. So within InnoDB, a long list of projects, multiple buffer pool segments, multiple rollback segments, extended change buffering, better locking within MySQL proper, better metadata locking within transactions, split lock open mutex, and some other lock improvements. I think one of the most interesting things, one of the most compelling things also is a better than 10 times improvement in recovery times. I mean, yesterday we were talking through some customer examples as I was getting ready for the presentation, and a lot of them are experiencing 14 times, 15 times, improvement in recovery. That's very compelling. Now, I say it's faster, okay? And of course, everyone says it's faster every version, but we have real data. So running sysbench, a read-only sysbench benchmark at scale, so a large number of database connections, it's more than 200% faster. 200%. Now, if you want to actually write to the database, you have to settle for 364% faster. So at scale, large number of database connections, MySQL 5.5 is 364% faster than 5.1. Those are incredible performance gains. You don't get them every day. Now, beyond the server, we have improvements in MySQL Workbench. So presumably you want to do more than benchmark the database, you want to build an application. So MySQL Workbench is a great tool for that. So we have some basic improvements in SQL development area, so better SQL editor, better object management, connection management, multi-pane results view. Database administration, so you can check status, you can look at configuration information, start and stop the database. Manage users and security, import, export dump files. And I think actually the most exciting thing is data modeling. So I mean, I know that when I was a child building database applications, so I typed in a lot of create tables inside Emacs. I mean, frankly, if I had had a data modeling tool building those complex schemas, I would have been much happier. We're also announcing MySQL Cluster 7.1. So has 3 basic areas of improvement. One is improved administration. I mean, clustering is difficult to get right in terms of configuration, right? So I think MySQL Cluster Manager will help a lot there. Real-time status information will help a lot there. We're building Java connectors for MySQL Cluster. So and you get not just like SQL access, but also OpenJPA access for native access. Carrier grade performance and availability. Extreme availability, 99.999% availability. Sub-second failover and self-healing recovery. This is a very compelling product for customers that need to build real-time applications like telecoms. That's where it came from. I think one of the things that I noticed in the telecommunications industry is carriers competing for business based on being able to offer new services. And I think that's one of the things that is very compelling about MySQL Cluster, because it lets those customers be able to define and establish those new services before the competitors do.